Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the power window switch from an Honda Civic years 96 till 2000. This is the passenger side. So first of all you need to remove this plastic trim. The clips is right over here, so you need to push it in this direction and pull it. Okay, after we removed the trim, I'm going to show you how it's built. You see, you have those two clips and the further clips. So this is from the, you can see it's the opposite direction, but you need to push it this direction because those two clips are holding the plastic here, and this one is the one that lock the power window switch. So I'm just going to pull it to the camera direction, but I'm going to hold it from this pin, and that's it. You can see the two pin. It's not broken, it's have a mark on it, I don't know why. And the final and most easy part is to push here the plastic. Okay, you heard the click and you pull it away, and that's it. This is how you remove the power switch.